Okay kids, we're making my version of a ground beef taco, of a taco supreme, but we're gonna bake it. So we've taken these tortillas, we sprayed them with avocado oil, light line each side, put them in the bag, and cooked them for 60 seconds to make them really flexible. Now I've got the cooker around 395 degrees, I like around 400, but it's close enough. So we're gonna bake these things. Be careful, wear gloves, don't do like I do. So not the best move there. What's this? I'm a professional at this stuff. We got that going for us. That'll be a few minutes and they should be great. We'll find out. Okay, we're gonna cook all of this on the griddle. Got a pound of prime hamburger meat. Ground beef nice and brown, and then normally would do this in the pan, but I don't want to do it in the pan. Okay, I want to do it on the grill. So what I'm going to do to get the taco seasoning, when I get it brown, I got 3/4 cup of hot water here with the taco seasoning, and I'm just going to gradually pour it in, kind of like you're making risotto, if you know what I'm talking about. And I have to tell you, there is something about a good old-fashioned, kind of Americanized ground beef taco. So that's what we're having tonight. Our tortillas are done. Okay kids, let's load these tacos up. I'm gonna start with this bad boy and put some cheese in. The meat on top of the cheese. Crazy, huh? Look at these things are really crispy. Okay, then I want to put some chopped lettuce in there, a little more cheese, and some chopped tomatoes. There's the first one. This will be fun. Load them this way so the plate looks better. Oh, look at these. A couple more, and you'll see just how fun this is. Taco Supreme, baby. Okay, perfect.